This is your Business Review. I'm Dwayne Burbick. They say we spend about a third of our lives sleeping, and here in Jamaica, as the rest of the world, companies have capitalized on that human trait, none more successful than the Morgan's Group. That company, which is family-owned and operated, is the focus of review this week. The story is told by one of its directors, Aswad Morgan.
Morgan's Group is a group of manufacturing companies which started in 1974 with Morgan's Industries, where we manufactured solid mahogany furniture for the local and export markets. That business did exceptionally well as a starting company for the group.
Aswad says that start allowed the company to get into other business lines in the furniture sector. Its biggest line was to enter into foam manufacturing in 1982. It was then that the company was noticed by global bedding company Therapeutic.
Therapeutic are among the top 5 largest bedding manufacturers in the world, and quite naturally, as ambitious as we are, we jumped on the opportunity. We had some amount of experience of course, in producing furniture. Then foam, it was quite an easy extension to getting to the bedding business, which the rest is history.
He said with that, the company is a dominant player in the mattress trade, supplying the product to retailers and big box stores, hospitals, schools, homes for the aged, and hotels.
All the major hotels that came in since 1999, when we did our first hotel at Rio Tropical Bay. We've continued steadily and grown and really played a serious role in helping put the guests to sleep in a good way, and it's continuing to grow, and we've been continuing to be very successful.
He says the company focuses on turning out high-quality products, knowing that the competition is not only Jamaican. And though he said there are challenges, the Morgan's Group is focused on opportunities. In recent months, the company has invested in new machinery for producing foam, and he says it will be leveraging that investment to push for a bigger portion of that market.
Foam used to be looked at as almost like a commodity item, and we have elevated that and changed that, and certainly set the standard and the benchmark for what foam should be. We make, as I say, flexible foam, very, 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 very high quality. When you look at the quality of the foam and look at what else is out there and available on the market, it's cheese to chop. We've introduced viscoelastic memory foam. That's another area, growth area for us, because we manufacture high-end bedding.
The export market is also a target. Mr. Morgan says the English-speaking Caribbean is the specific target, especially for foam. Maybe
15% of what we do today is on the export side of the business, but we're nowhere near what we want to be. But the truth is that foreign exchange for us is, and for most manufacturers here, is something that we always want to put ourselves in a position to earn. But because we've had so much success in the hospitality sector, for us, sales to the hospitality sector is almost like export. A little bit easier to,
That's the Business Review. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.